Hey guys, so a lot of you might have noticed that I haven't talked about self-development on this YouTube channel for some months now, and there's a good reason for that, and I'm just going to be totally honest and candid with you guys. For a long time, while I was still living on Koh Samui, my quaint little island, I really wasn't myself. I fell into depression, actually. I became really misaligned, and I wasn't doing what I should have been doing in my day-to-day. I wasn't on my self-development habits myself. And because of that, quite frankly, I didn't have anything new to add to the conversation. I wasn't learning anything new. I was so misaligned with myself and who I was and my purpose in life that the learning lessons that God continued to present to me were missed. I wasn't able to see any of them, so I wasn't learning anything new. So really what my videos were for a while was me just sort of regurgitating the same sort of bullshit advice. It's not bullshit advice, but it's very surface level, and I really fell out of love with the whole thing, and I didn't have anything new to say, and that's why I pivoted. I stopped talking about it, and I started talking about video editing a lot more. I've come to realize something. My life has been very difficult actually over the last few months. I have once again returned to the trenches. I've learned a lot about myself and how the world works, and I am once again fucking back, you know? And it's funny because I feel very spiritually in tune, and I feel like I have more to say now. With that said, I don't want to show up for you guys every single day like I was, because that diminishes the quality of the message that I have for you. Quite frankly, I don't have something new to say every single day. So I'm going to show up for you guys and just give you some very raw value, kind of like this. This isn't really value, I'm just explaining the direction that we're going in. But I'm not going to have any hyper edits. I'm not going to be trying to cater to a younger audience, because I've realized a lot of the guys who have stuck around with me, even after I stopped talking about self-development and I've pivoted so much on what I'm doing with this YouTube channel, a lot of those guys, you're a step ahead of the, don't touch your cock, guys. It's not very good to touch your cock every day. Don't play video games, guys. You're now looking for spiritual depth. You're looking for higher level advice. So I really feel like I'm in a fantastic position to give some of you guys that advice now. So here's what I'm doing with this channel. I'm gonna upload on this channel once or twice a week, exactly like this, sat down, no crazy editing. I'm not trying to prove to you guys I'm worth listening to or anything like that. I'm speaking to my boys who really get me, really align with me, really fuck with me, okay? It's not necessarily going to be a magnet for a massive wide audience as I was trying to do before. This is for my ride or die motherfuckers, okay? I'm gonna stop talking about video editing on this channel, and I'm gonna move it over to my other channel, Sam Harborne, and I'm gonna upload one video a week on there, which will be more edited, more well put together, a bit more structured. What won't change is my firm belief that video editing is a fantastic vehicle for self-development. So I might mention that sometimes in the videos, by the way guys, if you don't have a creative pursuit or a purposeful pursuit, or something that makes you important to the types of people you want to network with, you might want to consider video editing. That won't change. That will probably be laced throughout the videos which I make for this channel. But honestly, I just want a nice safe space where I can sit down, I can talk to the camera without worrying too much about trying to impress anyone or trying to convince anyone of anything. I want to just sit down and share my findings with you as I fucking navigate the trenches of spiritual enlightenment once again, because holy fuck man, my worldview just keeps getting turned upside down every month or so right now. It's insane the amount of growth that I'm going through, the amount of paradigm shifts that I'm having, and I want to share that live with you guys because you are a man on your own journey, and you're probably gonna experience some of this stuff yourself. And if I can help guide you through that and help you avoid some of the pitfalls which I've fallen into, which fuck, Lord knows I've fallen into some goddamn pitfalls, then I will be a happy man. I will rest my weary head on my pillow at nighttime and I will feel good about myself. I feel very good about myself in terms of the work I do in my business, genuinely transforming the lives of young guys who want to make money online video editing and they don't want to live, you know, a normal 9-to-5 sort of routine life. But I have so much untapped potential in terms of speaking about development and spirituality in itself, and I really want a place for that, and that's what this is going to be. Okay, so thought I'd just share that with you guys, and I really want to apologize for continuing to pivot and be a little bit schizophrenic with what I'm doing with this YouTube channel. I hope you understand. I've had this YouTube channel for like 8 years or so, maybe even more. So I've got guys on this YouTube channel who were subbed to me for gaming videos, for Twitch stream highlight videos, for very early self-development videos, just because I am associated with Hamza, and now also video editing. So Jesus Christ, it's a bit of a nightmare. I'm gonna make the decision right now. I'm just saying this is my self-development hub, okay? If you're not into that, if you're here for a different reason, completely fine with me. You guys can check my social blade. This channel hasn't grown really at all over the last like 2 years. And that's because I just keep pivoting and I keep sort of betraying my personal brand. Very silly of me in terms of, you know, business, but I'm just a young buck trying to figure this shit out myself, so. Oh, I will say this as well, you can expect Cigar Sundays on this channel as well. I'm not gonna force myself to do Cigar Sundays. I'm only gonna do a Cigar Sunday when there's someone who I genuinely really like and I want to talk to. So there won't be any sort of consistency in terms of the Cigar Sundays, but you can see those on this channel as well. All right, guys, I really appreciate your patience, and if you sat through and watched this video, well done. You probably have a bit more of a attention span than most. Well done. This channel might be right for you. And I'll see you guys soon with my findings in the trenches. God bless you.